Welcome back once again. So sorry about the very prolonged process, but this had to be as detailed as possible. Right. So we are back to the original screen as stated earlier. So you'll notice that the count has increased from 0 to 2. Before now, in the previous videos you have watched, you will see that the total here was 0 on the left hand side and on the right hand side. And in today's date, you can see 8th of May, it has been bumped up to 2. From May 2nd till today, total of 2 submissions. Now, this is the reason why you are advised to submit immediately. If you have network, submit immediately. There's no point saving draft, right? So you are going to go to reports. So the reason you're advised to submit immediately is because you might not be able to find your draft and then decide to continue it because the web functions differently from the app. The web functions differently from the app, right? So this is where you come to see exactly what you have been able to do and submit. You can see the time that was captured, the date that was captured. My name is there, the state, the partner, whatever information you imputed will show exactly how you submitted it, right? So it's best you submit instead of saving draft because on the web functions quite differently. So that's about it. That sums it up. I'll be glad to take questions. And you can always track back, watch the videos afresh in case you missed any step.